What can I say? Well, it didn't exactly tickle my pickle, I can tell you now. Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a Red Rooster Ripper Roll Palmy. And sad to say, I've got some news for you. So, I'll spin you down to have a look. Here you go. The Ripper Palmy burger, the last of the Mohicans. It's no longer available, just a palmy burger. And because these are not really a palmy, because they don't put ham on it, there's the roll, there's the Neapolitan sauce. One second, right, bring it down. There's the Neapolitan sauce, two tenders, there's the bacon, there's the cheese. So that's as close as it's going to get to being palmy.
Who wants fantails? 7 p.m. tonight, I will be releasing some of these fantails for sale. I have 60 kilos, but I'm not releasing them all at one time because I want to make it fair for everyone. But watch out, 7 o'clock tonight on the website.
Do the chip test. They are salty.
If you could bring back any lolly that's been discontinued in Australia, what would it be? For me, hands down, it would be the Starburst Little Chews, specifically the light pink ones.
Discontinued Australian food.
Put a stop to the senseless slaughtering of innocent potatoes. Remember this. Rice-A-Roni, the San Francisco treat. Rice-A-Roni, the flavor can't be beat. A special blend of seasonings
for flavor that is sure to please and save a potato.
Rice-A-Roni, the San Francisco treat.
Save a potato. Serve Rice-A-Roni.
The skin's nice and crispy. The chicken is nice, it's tender, it's not stringy, it's not dry, it's nice. Well folks, there you are, all finished. What can I say? Well, it didn't exactly tickle my pickle, I can tell you now. What? Palmy part of it, that was fine. The extra piece of chicken that came with it, that was fine. Just the bread roll was a bit stale. It's Tuesday. I would have thought it would have been fresher than what it is. Obviously, it wasn't. Had a score out of, Pepsi. Can't fault that. They're always the same.
We were actually looking at stocking these because, you know, they're delicious, but we were going to have to sell them at like $5 a pack for like 10 pieces, and I'm just not about that life. But if you are a fan of retro lollies, such as yogurt frogs, milkshakes, kablooies, and toffee apple...
Discontinued Australian food.